In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can see your subscribers on your YouTube channel. So this is very easy. As you can see, I'm here on my subscriber list. And to get here, what you need to do is go here to the YouTube main page, go right here at the top right of your screen and go to YouTube Studio. Once you are here, you need to scroll down until you see your recent subscribers and click this button. And that's it. Now you are here. You can filter it by most subscribers in the last 90 days, in the last month, last week, year, or lifetime. And you can also filter it by the date when they have subscribed. Take in account that this only includes users who have made their subscriptions public, so in case they have their subscription private, they won't appear here, and there is no way you can see if they are subscribed or not. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.